Hey there. Have you ever wondered what goes into those expensive perfumes that drive everyone crazy? In this video, we're kicking off our new series, Recreating Popular Fragrances, and we're starting with the easiest yet most iconic brand out there, Eccentric Molecules. We're going to break down 3 of their legendary scents. You'll find out who created them, what they're made of, and most importantly, how to replicate them at home. Today, it's formulas only. No fluff, no filler. Let's dive in. Brand history. It all started with a German perfectionist perfumer named Geisa Schoen. In 2006, he did something no one had ever dared to do before. He released a fragrance consisting of just a single molecule. No citrus top notes, no floral heart, no base, just pure ISO-E super. That was Molecule 01. People couldn't understand how it was even possible, but the fragrance went viral. It smells different on everyone's skin. Cedar woody, slightly sweet, almost invisible, yet incredibly magnetic. Later came Molecule 02, based on ambroxan, and then the Mandarin version. Today, Geisa is the most famous minimalist in the perfume world. And we're starting with the very first ultimate icon, Molecule 01. Take an empty 5 milliliter glass spray bottle. Our goal is to make 3 milliliters of finished perfume at a 20% concentration. Open the bottle. Take a pipette and measure out 0.6 milliliters of ISO-E super. This is the exact single molecule that creates all the magic. Carefully transfer it into our empty bottle. Now we need a solvent. Grab a pipette, measure out 2.4 milliliters of 96% ethanol, or if you're making an oil-based version, use DPG. Pour it into the bottle with the ISO-E super. Cap the bottle, shake it vigorously for 10 to 15 seconds to let the components blend completely. And that's it. You're done. The fragrance is ready to rest. Put it away in a dark place for 3 to 5 days for maceration. Recreating Molecule 01 is literally that simple. Moving on to the second bottle, Molecule 02. While the first one was all about woods, this one is crystal clear ambergris based on ambroxan. An important note before we start. Ambroxan usually comes in crystal form. Before we can make the actual perfume, we need to prepare a working solution from these crystals in advance. You can make it using either ethanol or DPG. I've already prepared a 10% ambroxan solution in DPG ahead of time. It's completely dissolved and ready to go. If you're doing this yourself, pour the solvent over the crystals, stir thoroughly, leave it for a few hours or overnight, and shake periodically until every single grain disappears. Skipping this step won't work. The crystals won't dissolve in just a couple of minutes. Now that the solution is ready, take an empty 5 milliliter spray bottle and set it on the table. Using a pipette, measure out 0.6 milliliters of our pre-made 10% ambroxan solution and pour it into the bottle. Take a fresh pipette, measure out 2.4 milliliters of ethanol, and add it to the ambroxan.
Close it up, give it a good shake, and that's it. Leave it in a dark place for 3 days to macerate. Bottle 3, Molecule 01 plus Mandarin, the process. Our third fragrance is Molecule 01 plus Mandarin. It's the exact same ISO E Super, but this time with a splash of Mandarin. Brilliantly simple. Take another empty 5 milliliter bottle. First, let's pour in the base, ISO E Super. Measure out 0.9 milliliters with a pipette and transfer it into the bottle. Now we need cold-pressed Mandarin essential oil. Measure out 0.15 milliliters and add it to the ISO E Super. Top up the volume to 3 milliliters with ethanol. Measure out 1.95 milliliters and pour it into the bottle. Cap it and shake it. Done! Now, keep in mind, natural Mandarin oil is highly volatile. It will only last for about 15 to 20 minutes at the opening, and then you'll be left with just the woody ISO E Super. The perfumer intentionally left out fixatives to achieve this exact effect. If you want a longer-lasting citrus note, you can add a single drop of triethyl citrate, but the original is meant to sound exactly like this, a bright burst followed by a smooth fade. Conclusion. So we've just made 3 iconic fragrances from the Molecule line. Molecule 01, a pure woody mystery powered by ISO E Super. Molecule 02, a crystal clear ambergris based on ambroxan. And Molecule 01 plus Mandarin, a citrus explosion that quickly gives way to woods. In the upcoming videos, we'll gradually turn up the difficulty, level by level, ingredient by ingredient. My goal is to recreate fragrances as close to the original as possible while keeping the ingredient list to a minimum, focusing on only what truly matters. I've left links to the shops where I buy all my supplies in the description below, so you can grab your ingredients there too. In the meantime, go ahead and experiment with these formulas, tweak the ratios, add your own twists, and remember, in perfumery, there are no rules, only your sense of smell. Hit subscribe if you want to smell expensive without overpaying. See you next time.